Hello Raider Nation, this is Duntov. Today is July 10th, 2019. It's a Wednesday. I am currently standing on Hacienda Bridge on the north side. So we got overnight when I was driving into work at 3 a.m. I seen that Jaws has a truss up. Can't see it really good from here. It's right behind the beast over here. So they put the truss up, I guess, last night, or there were lights on when I drove by, so they might have done it in the dark. I'm not sure about that, but it was up already at 3 a.m. Okay, so you can see also over here to the right is Big Bird. They've had it laying down for a while. So you can see it's got a pretty far reach. I think they were called the jib, this top part. You got the boom down here and then the jib. So you can see the difference in the length of it compared to the beast. So I'm assuming that's going to be used to help with lifting up the center roof structure, all the cabling and clear roof. So the guys are still up in there working on this truss area. I guess that's the piece that the beast is holding up right now. So we still got this false structure here. I haven't heard when it is supposed to be removed. I'm thinking probably not till, they get all this upper area finished. If any of you guys and gals working at the site know when they're going to remove the false structure, leave us a comment. Be appreciated. This tall crane here, so I guess they're working on the roof panels or something with that. Look how much higher that one goes over the stadium. There's the beam now. That beam I showed earlier now, so it's just still hanging there. They're moving it yet. Okay, I'm gonna go walk around, get some different views. down by street level. We'll go see what they're doing with Big Red. They did move Big Red down into the pit area where the field's gonna slide out. You can go to the Raiders. If you go to the Raiders live cam, I think it's view 3, and you could see, click through the tab for the different times and date, and you could see when they move it down there and stuff. They moved it during the night, the main part of the crane, so it wasn't recorded, but there's a lot of thought process going into all the way they move these cranes around, and it's pretty interesting. So you could get a good look. Or no, actually I think it's the north, or the west cam or north cam or something like that. It's one of the different views on the Raiders site. Alright, I'm gonna go walk around. Okay, I'm still on Hacienda. Just now you can see the truss they just put up. The beast isn't in the way now. So you can see this is the end again. Just like, you know, on this side here. So this part here pretty much resembles just like where they got the lanai doors on the north end. So the south end, I think they're going to do the same way, the way they put the truss across. That's why Big Red's going down in that pit. Okay, I'm now street level on the north side. So this is a close-up view of Big Bird. Way up there. So you can see up inside all the a lot of pipes and stuff up there now. Getting up here, we could see where they're putting the beam. That's the beam we seen when I was up on the bridge. A lot of guys up here. Another one of them hanging scaffolds that you wouldn't catch me dead on there, or I would be dead, I guess. You can see it on the east side part of it. They got a lot of it. You know, this outside edge structure part of it. Most of that looks in already. Just a little bit on that side. Some guys up there. Just trying to drop that one right in. Okay, I've also been getting a few comments asking about when they're gonna start putting the glass on the outside. Last I heard was probably not till about September. But I had one comment that said they're putting the clips on the steel to hold the glass. So I'm almost positive it has to be all these little tabs you see here. They got them all evenly spaced now. You know, they're getting it on all the different pieces going across. I guess somehow it'll fasten to those. Correct me if I'm wrong, anyone that knows, but I would think those are where they clip on. Okay, I guess we got some Cowgirl Espresso here. Now we know what that means. They probably sell a lot of espresso. So Cowgirl Espresso and then Angry Joe. I wonder if they're related. Maybe that's her boyfriend. But they're both leaving together, so maybe. Oh, she's not leaving. Okay, then we got a lot more ductwork going up in there. These guys gotta be dying. There's pretty much no breeze today. I think it's supposed to be about 105. By Friday, it's gonna be about 108 degrees. And just being on the steel's gotta be hot, everything. It's just crazy. They're like all way inside this structure doing something. Okay, I'm gonna go on the west side now. Okay, I am now on the west side, so right by Jaws here. So you can see the truss they're setting down. They don't have it leaning all the way down yet. The front part they're still working on setting them on them columns there. Actually, there's go across, they're working on the other one also. Some more guys over here. They're working on the back side of the level 4 seating. We still got the one canopy laying over here. Okay, I'm more towards the south end. This is the side the field slides out at. You can see someone peeking up out of the ground here. This is where they're moving Big Red to. So it's down in the area where the filled will stay when it's out in the sun. So what they have it doing right now, they're still hooking up all the, they're putting it back together. So you can see they have it laying in the pit, going this way, and then this crane here is like helping put it together. So if you go to the Raider site, look at their live cam site, and then you could see the, I'm thinking it's called the West View. I think the camera's mounted either on this stay bridge. This is where I think they have the camera mounted on. Okay, from the south end, you can see again, this is why Big Red had to be here to finish putting the trusses across this south opening. Looks like it's going to work the same way as the lanai doors did. This appears to be another false structure right here. So I'm sure one of the trusses will go more than halfway, so it'll rest on there, and then they'll attach the smaller piece after. And we swing to the left here, you can see a better view of the truss they just put up. Okay, Raider Nation, so we got another canopy truss up. Big Red still hanging around for a little while. Looks like a dinosaur, like coming up out of the ground here. Just gonna lift himself out. So that's all I got for today. So I'd like to thank everyone who subscribed to my channel, keeps watching my videos. As long as you guys want to see them, I'll keep making them. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, Raiders1967. So you'll get updates on the stadium, and I do go out, not as often, but I go out to the headquarters also. So thanks again, and I'll talk to you next time.